1,000. Also, I don't want a person next to me seated with a purple, the jacket because I don't like purple. It's like, just be quiet. Be quiet. Yeah, it's fine.
Latte, which
there's that cute guy from the off scene.
New ground inside of me.
Are available for eligible families. Geo Focus Academy. Earn more, learn more. Visit k12.com/geo to enroll today.
If you are looking for a career with a family-owned business in a positive work environment, Smokercraft Inc. is hiring. Open positions include TIG welders, assembly and pontoon and aluminum lines, and opportunities in shipping and fiberglass lamination. Full benefits including medical, dental, 401k, and life insurance are available for each position.